Hi, today we're going to have a look at how we can use our custom Cordova engines with hybrid mobile tools. Um, let's start a project, a hybrid mobile application project. As you can see, right now I have a couple of options for using as a hybrid mobile engine. These are actually the engines that are managed by the IDE itself. So it means that when you click the download button and selected the versions and the platforms, and it was downloaded for you. So what I want to do today is to use my own fork of Cordova. For that, I will just clone my fork from GitHub to a directory here. And where is it? Yes, there. Click the search button, select the directory, and say open. And it will search for all the Cordova engines that it can find, and it will detect its version and platforms and let you choose it. I'll choose the Cordova engine, and if you are curious about where this Cordova engine is coming from, you can just click it and you can see that where it is on your desk. Let's finish it and let it create our project. And a custom Cordova engine is just like any other Cordova engine that you are using, so you can just tell it to run it on the emulator. It will just create an application, compile it, and run it on the emulator. Right now it's compiling it, and let's look at our emulator so that we can see it get started.